Hi, I'm delighted to share this news with you that I have been nominated by Indian Authors Awards 2021 for the best in education and training for the author on Vedic Mathematics, which is being organized by Navi Mumbai Chambers of Commerce. I'm Dr. Yogesh Channa, an author and internationally certified trainer on Vedic Mathematics. I'm an educator for last 25 years. I motivate and help people to grow as an entrepreneur. I'm the most viewed writer on Vedic mathematics on Quora. I help teachers to become Vedic mathematics trainers and start their earning. I support children in the journey of transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence in mathematics and thus empower them with the feeling of I can, reducing math anxiety. So please do join us on 30th November 2021 for this extra vision event. Thank you.